Folks, Gator, yeah, in the garage, yeah. Just want to tell you there, I think winter's coming there. We're getting there already, boy. There's a lot of stuff I haven't shown you about this. We'll do that in the next weeks or months coming there. And all's left but the crying here, I tell you. So I'm gonna show you, it'll be a quick one there. So you gotta kind of fasten down, put your seat belts on, and we'll take you out front and we'll show you how we do it in the perennials and them little trees there. Ben knows how we call them. I'll show you how we do it. We kind of give them I got a haircut. They're gonna get a haircut too for the winter, eh? Because that's the way you keep your trees low, and then next spring they kind of pop up and they never overgrow themselves. So you gotta kind of keep them clipped down. People let them grow, and then first thing you know, they're out of hand. They gotta pull them out and put some new ones in. Just a haircut every year, then you're good to go. Okay, so stand in there and we'll be there in a few seconds. Okay, folks, I don't know if you can tell there, within this is the wife's side of the garage there. I got everything kind of buttoned up there. The floor's clean. The summer lawnmower's in the back there, parked. And now we go to this side. This is my side of the garage. See the snowblower in the back there? You got that parked in there. And everything's cleaned up. I'm gonna put my truck in there, and all we got left is to clean up the front there, all the perennials and the plants there, and cut them down and ship them out to the recycle, vegetation recycle there. So hang in there, I'll be back to you in a few. Kind of winded right now. That gives you an idea of what's going on here. I'm gonna finish it up. Still got hang on, see the island right there. You got the island to do and pick up all the stuff, so just say I salute you all, and I take care. Thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.